everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we are showing you guys the Walgreens ad preview for March 25th through March 31st. You guys can usually check the Walgreens ad on the Walgreens website on Wednesdays, so if you guys want to check this out, go for it. I always like to look to see what kind of deals we can do ahead of time. So as you guys see right here, M&Ms are 2 for $5. There is a $1 off a 2 coupon in the Walgreens booklet. Plus we have those $2 or $1 off a 2 coupon that we got from our inserts a while back ago. So you guys could get each bag for $1.50, which could be an okay deal if you guys really love M&Ms, or they're great to put in Easter eggs. Just giving you guys a heads up on that. Here we got eggs for just 99 cents. That's a great price. A lot of you guys say that that's a really great price. The only thing is, I don't think you can pay with points. One person was mentioning that. I don't think you can buy eggs with points. Same thing with like milk, newspapers, and stuff. So, but still 99 cents is a great deal. Here is if you guys spend $10 on more on Easter basket essentials, you guys will end up getting 2,000 points. So if you guys need any last minute things, to go for it. We got Purex laundry detergent, buy one get one free. It's an okay deal. I'm not sure what the price is on it usually, but we got that. Cereal is 2 for $4, if you guys can see right here. Not much going on with the whole food section. I tried looking for some deals, but I missed some deals, and then stuff usually pops up. So a lot of food deals. So there's that stuff. A lot of frozen deals. Pop or soda is 3 for $3. That's a pretty decent deal. It comes out to be $1 a bottle, which is a great deal. It's hard to get, you know, bottles that size for $1 these days. Here we got Nestle candy, 2 for $1. So if you guys want fillers or you guys need items to put in your Easter basket, that is a great price. Only 50 cents a candy bar. We got extra gum. Now we do have those 50 cents off of 2 coupons to use up, which those expire the end of this month anyways. You buy 2 of them, you guys will pay $1.08. Comes out to be 54 cents a piece. So if you guys really enjoy gum, I say go for it. The cleaning supplies area, the Palmolive is 99 cents. We do have we're going to be getting 25% off coupons if you guys like that. If you guys need paper plates or baggies, they'll come out to be 99 cents or 2 for $1. Or 2 for $4, sorry. Gain is $4.99, and then there's going to be $2 off coupon. It looks like it's going to be an online coupon for $2.99. That's a pretty good price for Gain pods. $1.49 for extra laundry detergent. The bigger bottles of Purex and the All are $5.99. Here is an all-month deal. I noticed this the other day, but the Febreze is 2 for $6. Now, we do have those buy one, get one free coupons that are in the March P&G, so you guys will end up getting 2 of them for $3 or $1.50 a piece, which is a pretty good deal if you guys really like Febreze. I've been liking to stock up on that stuff lately. Here we got the Kleenex like to-go packs, 2 for $3. There's gonna be an online coupon or a coupon that is online. It just says that for $1 off of 2, so it comes out to be $1.50. So that's a pretty decent deal. Now they got some other random stuff. Nothing really popping out at you guys. Some last minute other gifts as seen on TV gifts. Nothing really popping out here. But here they got Hot Wheels for 79 cents. That's a great price. That's good for Easter baskets. And then they got Play-Doh, Grab and Go, and the Play Packs. Those are 99 cents. These they sell at the Dollar Tree for $1. So you guys can also get those for free if you guys pay with some of your points. Here they got Kinder Eggs. They're buy one, get one 50% off. Now we do have those $1 off of 2 coupons that you guys can use. I can't remember. I think they're 2 for $3 at the store. I'm not 100% positive, but I'm going to be definitely stocking up on Kinder Eggs. My son loves them, and every time he goes potty, we give him a Kinder Egg. So just letting you guys know on that. They got some more candy deals. Russell Strofer, buy one, get one free. More candy. It's all candy. And now we're in the personal care items. I didn't see very much with this page. I know the Simple is buy one get one 50% off. Now we do have like a buy one get one free coupon, so that could be a decent deal. I'm going to try to look up that deal. The Rock, the Lubriderm is buy one get one 50% off. I know we do have some coupons for those. The Herbal Essence and the Aussie is buy one get one 50% off, plus we'll be getting a 2 off of 2 coupon. So if you guys are brand loyal, right here we got Whole Bloods 2 for $7. There is a $1 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet, plus we'll be getting $2 off of 1 coupon in this Sunday's paper. So you guys will end up getting each one for 50 cents, which is a great deal. Soft soap, hand soap, and the refills, they're going to be buy one get one 50% off. We will be getting 75% off coupons in this Sunday's paper. Plus it says if you guys buy 4, you get 4,000 points. So I have a feeling we might have a great time to stock up on hand soap. The next deal we got is this Crest Toothpaste. And there is mouthwash included, and then it's the floss, but they're $2.99. It says there's a $1 off online coupon. I think we have some other coupons that we just got this past Sunday's paper. But it says if you buy 4, you get a $6 registry reward. So if we figure out a $1 off coupon for all that stuff, you guys would end up paying $7.96 for the 4 of those. But then you get that $6 register reward, making it just $1.96 or 49 cents a piece, which could be an awesome deal. I'm okay with paying 49 cents with mouthwash and floss. Toothpaste, it depends. It really depends. This deal is not the greatest. It just says it's $2.99 after the $1 off coupon, and then you get 2,000 points. So $1.99 for toothpaste is not a great deal. Here we got a bunch of the medicines and stuff. I don't see anything that's really popping out here. More vitamins. Buy one get one 50% off. That's an all month thing. Other deals for here. More deals. Nothing really popping out. I don't see anything really good. It's going to be a midweek, but I have a feeling there'll be a couple surprises on us, like it always is like that. And then here is the last page for the ad. Maybelline Makeup is buy one get one 50% off, which is a pretty good deal. I know we have some Maybelline coupons and we have L'Oreal coupons. Chips, $1.99. That's a great price for chips. And then I saw something else. Maybe not. Maybe not. Oh, Fruity Pebbles, I know there is a $1 off of 2 coupon on the Grocery Network website if you guys wanted to use that coupon. But yeah, so that is the Walgreens preview ad for this coming Sunday. If I missed any deals, please let me know so I can share it with you guys. And I will see you guys all later. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.